Do you have a sliding door at home which is getting hard to slide, or worse, it is stuck? That's most probably the roller's fault. And in this video, I'll teach you how to replace those old rollers, which will fix the problem. First thing to do is to remove the door panel. Just position the panel to a comfortable place for lifting, as this is heavy. Then you just need to lift it up, then pull out the bottom part. Let's do just that now. Okay, we are out. Now we just need to lie down the door on its side so we can remove the broken rollers. Alright. We are looking at the bottom of the door panel here. As you can see, the roller is not spinning properly anymore, and it is also crooked, which is the reason why sliding it is really hard, and sometimes, it is really jammed or stuck. Here is a new working sliding door roller, and this is how the wheel should spin. It's free and fast, compared to this old one. It's safe to say that this roller is already broken, and should be replaced with a new roller like this one. To remove this old roller, we will need to unscrew the screw on the top hole here. The bottom hole is for the adjustment of the roller height, while this upper hole holds the whole roller in place, so by unscrewing this, we can take the whole roller out and replace it. Unscrew means turning it counterclockwise, in case you didn't know. Okay, once the screw is loose, we will need to push this block of black plastic out so we can pull out the roller. You can use a long nose pliers for this. Just don't apply too much pressure when grabbing to avoid breaking the plastic block. You can push out the plastic block through the hole using a screwdriver and then pull it using a long nose pliers. Oops. I accidentally hit the camera there. Here is the plastic block. And later we will be putting it back here after we have replaced the roller. As you can see here, this is the screw that goes into this plastic, going through to the screw hole of the roller to keep it in place. Now, it's time to pull out the rollers itself. The roller is positioned into a snug fit inside this panel, and we will need to pinch the sides of the roller to make it fit the opening and make it possible to pull it out. You might need to apply force here and possibly deform the old rollers to make it fit the opening. When it's ready, we can then pull out the roller using the reliable long nose pliers. Just pull straight out, and again, some force might be needed here. Okay. It's finally out. That was something. Alright. This is the new roller. This hole here will be the indicator on which part goes inside and top. So we will insert it on this position. The roller goes to the compartment below, as the top part is for that plastic block. We will again need to pinch the sides of the door for the roller to fit inside. We will again need some force here. Okay, we are in. Just push it inside until this screw here aligns with the bottom hole in the door side. Looks like it is aligned now, that means we are good. Now we will need to put back the plastic block. Just push it inside the top compartment. Then we will tighten this screw which should be aligned to the hole in the roller to keep it in place. Alright. We are done. You just need to do the same process on all the rollers that you need to replace. It's time to put the door panel back to its place. First thing to note here is the slit from the door panel here. We will need to fit the slit inside the vertical aluminum plate in the upper part of the door frame. When the slit is inside the plate, we can then lift up the door and place the wheel below to the proper rail. Let's do that now. Fit the slit to the plate, the lift up, and align the roller with the railing at the bottom of the door frame. When sliding is difficult or goes to a sudden stop, that means the rollers are not aligned to the rails. You can lift the door to align, or also use your finger to feel the rollers and rails, and make sure that the roller wheel is directly resting in the proper rails. We're not done yet, you still need to check if everything is aligned. The sliding action should be smooth. Then check that the side of the door snug fits the door frame side. If there is a misalignment between the door and frame, you will need to adjust the height of the rollers by using the bottom door hole here. Remember that the top hole holds the roller in place, so do not adjust that. To adjust the height of the roller, just use the bottom hole. You will need a Phillips screwdriver for this. Turning it clockwise increases the height of the door, while counterclockwise brings the door height down. To give you a better idea on how the roller adjustment works and how it makes the door go up or down, let me show you it here. This is the screw that we turn when we adjust the roller. As you can see, when I turn it clockwise, the mechanism inside the roller tightens and pulls the wheel frame in and make the wheel protrude outside the roller frame. When this happens, the effect is like pushing the door up, making the height of the door on this side of the roller go up. On the other hand, when I turn it counterclockwise, the mechanism loosens, making the wheel go inside the frame, thus, making the side of the door when the roller is, go down as well. And needless to say, when replacing a roller, make sure that you buy the same size roller that your sliding door has. Alright. That's it for this video. Hopefully it helps and saves you a few bucks by fixing your sliding door by yourself. If you enjoy this video, give me a thumbs up. If it has helped you in any way, please do consider subscribing to the channel. Nilasuj for watching. Noba Air.